हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति एंड आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति. दिस इज माय January Unhinged, a month where I will be uploading new episode every single day at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I do hope you tune in, you hit the follow. I appreciate your love, I appreciate your support, I appreciate all the shares that you do. Yeah, let's talk about today's episode. I am excited about this one, specifically top 5 things I've learned by keeping my life more private. My goal with this podcast is to share what I learn. I read a lot, I go through content a lot more than most do, at least in my network of people. And that is probably why people either choose to listen or follow me. I'm assuming, I'm just assuming. And if you don't follow me for either, why do you follow me? I would love to chat with you. Hit me up on Instagram. It's at Aditi Hihihi or ADITIHIHIHI. Yeah. Today, let's talk about 5 things that I've learned by keeping my life more private, and that everyone should try it sometimes when you are absolutely exhausted of using social media. Yeah. Number 1, my finding number 1, you stop caring about what people say or think. You are absolutely in the zone, minding your own business, working quietly on your wins and your losses. अब कोई भी नहीं होगा, विंस के लिए कोई चीयर करने वाला नहीं होगा और लॉसेस के लिए कोई बू करने वाला भी नहीं होगा. सो just enjoy that peace of mind. I started making decisions faster because now I do not have to explain it to anyone. मेरी लाइफ में चल क्या रहा है, like when I'm moving, what exactly am I doing? Nothing, कुछ नहीं. It's just nothing. That's the power of being quiet. Number 2, you also won't seek external validation of people. You do exactly what you feel right. Yeah. When I was a content creator on YouTube, a lot of times my content revolved around what people wanted to see and not what I actually wanted to do. Like, I tried to stay as authentic as I can, but it can get difficult. फॉर श्योर इवेंचुअली आप फंस जाओगे वही सर्कल में, रैट रेस में, कि ये एपिसोड से इतना पैसा मिलेगा, वो एपिसोड से उतना मिलेगा, एंड इसको इतना व्यूज़ आ रहा है, उसको नहीं आ रहा है, ये क्या करे, वो ऐसे करे. दिस स्टॉप्ड फॉर मी. लाइक आई जस्ट एज सून एज इट स्टॉप्ड फॉर मी, आई कुड ब्रीद. फाइनली आई कुड ब्रीद. Funny. I have more on YouTube coming out pretty soon, so yeah, we'll talk more on that. Number 3, I started also experiencing, less drama, more peace of mind, less toxic people in life. I did not have to entertain people anymore because out of sight is out of mind. As soon as I stopped posting online, people forgot about me, कि I even existed, and that's the best part about exiting the social media. See, I'm a very diplomatic human in general, but keeping toxic people away is difficult. You just have to accept that not everyone likes you, and of course you don't like everybody. And it also applies on your content. Some people abuse you straight up on your content, and some people will talk behind your back. Been there, seen all of that happen to me, and I don't want it anymore. I'm so fucking done. Yeah. Number 4, I learned people don't really care about you. You would think they do now that they follow you, subscribe to your content, but hardly anyone would, reach out. And same goes for hate comments. They leave something, they move the fuck on without thinking twice about the human behind that content who got affected by the bullying and by the hate and the negative toxic comment being left. They are like, हमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, हमने कंटेंट देख लिया, हमें अच्छा नहीं लगा, हमने थम्स डाउन दिया, 2-4 गालियाँ दे दी हमने, हमारा तो काम हो गया बॉस, अब आप देख लो, हमको कुछ नहीं करना है इससे. And but the fact that it hits so close to home for me because I took in so much effort to make a piece of content which was not received. But you don't have to leave so much hate content, so much hateful words. मतलब आप क्या, ये अगर हम रियल लाइफ में मिलते तो आप क्या मेरे चेहरे पे भी ऐसा बोलोगे? It's like that. So the minute I stopped posting, it was just pure melody of silence. Like you start appreciating silence and quiet moments a lot as soon as you stop consuming, stop being online, keep things more private and towards yourself. Yeah. Number 5, I have protected myself from so much unwanted, unneeded questions from society. For example, Aditi, आप 30 के हो गए हो, you are 30, क्या आपके पास जॉब नहीं है? क्यों जॉब नहीं है आपके पास? तो अभी जॉब नहीं है तो अब आपको फाइनेंस कौन कर रहा है? आपकी लाइफ कैसे चल रही है? कौन पैसे दे रहा है आपको? या फिर ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है कि आप कितना कमा लेते हो, या अदिति आप तो 30 के हो, आपने शादी क्यों नहीं की? अब आप जॉब तो कर नहीं रहे हो तो आप शादी कर लो, शादी क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? ये तो बड़ा आसान तरीका है, पैसे ना, आप पैसे तो वैसे कमा नहीं रहे हो तो कहीं से तो पैसे आने चाहिए, तो आप फंसा लो कोई लड़के को, शादी कर लो। और व्हेन आर यू गोइंग टू स्टार्ट हैविंग अ फैमिली? और नहीं, आपको तो बच्चे करने ही हो गए, अरे आप तो 30 के हो गए, 31 के हो गए, अब क्या? लाइक दीज fucking questions, they come from everywhere. You would think this is just online, this all of this, but it's far less now, especially in my real life. In day to day, these conversations do come up, people do talk, I know that, but I've been pretty protective and I've had strong boundaries. Whenever I catch people talking shit like this, I'll be like, stop it right there, I don't want to engage even in this conversation, right? That's how it is. I'm protecting myself from all the unwanted shit, and it has been a pretty blissful time for me. I remember days where I would honestly post everything online, and then I ended up at this high school reunion party, Diwali party tha, and everybody knew my business. Like they freaking knew I had put on mehendi the other night because I posted it online, and that I was a YouTuber, and that made me realize that Aditi, there's literally no mystery left to be untold, and I had no insight or no new information to share with them because they knew everything about me. Like they literally knew everything about me. For all the reason in mental health, I felt like I had to step away from social. Privacy has given me a lot of time to reflect and grow as a human. I'm not just a YouTuber. People, वहाँ पे जब मैं reunion party में गई थी तो everybody, they started introducing in what they do now and all of that, and they all they knew was like I'm a YouTuber. They did not know that I've done so much shit. My background is so and so, and like I'm in marketing and I'm entrepreneur, and like I'm like into engineering and coding and blah blah blah, and like it just came down to are ab content creator, ab YouTuber. That's it. That's how I was identified as. I am my own person. We are not our job titles. I hope we can all remember that. But honestly, आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन है, would you be posting online? Would you keep posting online if you had all the money in the world? Would you choose to keep your life private, or would you keep posting, keep being more public about it? An honest question to you guys. Yeah, let me know. Hit me up in my DM on Instagram. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.